Okay guys, welcome to tutorial 28 on PHP, and in this we're looking at user-defined functions with a return value. Okay, so here's my function. My function is add, and there's two parameters here, two arguments, which are just basically holders of variables. So I got A and B. So what we're saying here, C is equal to the total of adding the variable A and variable B, and we want to return the answer in variable C to the user. We'll return to this statement. So my first echo statement is add these together, and I call my function. I put my parameters in. A is 454, B is 381, and I do this for the second. Now what I will do, I'm going to show you this one. Now I'm going to show you from the beginning, and then we go and run it, and we should get our answers here. There you go. 454, 301 is a total of 835. 300 and 400 is a total of 700. Okay? Simple enough. So running through this one more time. We have a function. We put in our arguments, which are just basically variables, whole placeholders for variables. We have our variable C, which is equal to the summation of the two arguments we pass in here. And then we return whatever we pass in here through variable C. Okay? And we echo it out, and you echo out the function with the two arguments which you have, right? Don't forget to put your dots in, don't forget to put your break in, otherwise it's going to be all in one line. Again, leave any of this out and your code won't run. Okay? So simple enough. Anyway, thanks for joining me guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.